Happy Yarnie Yule! Hi everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today we're going to be doing a gift that you can make for a holiday, whether it be Christmas or someone's birthday. It's a pretty versatile gift, but it's very personal. So for our craft today, we're going to need your choice of worsted weight 4 yarn, and I'm going to choose an acrylic yarn. I'm using a, can't see that, 5mm crochet hook, something to cut your yarn with, and a tapestry needle to weave in your ends, and a metal hanger. And what I have done is I have taken off the top of the hanger where the hook is, like that, and I have bent it into a heart shape. Looks like this. You can choose any shape that you want. I just thought the heart looked cute. So the hanger that I had, when I opened it and cut off the top, it was double-sided. So when I opened it and flattened it, it just kind of made a natural heart, and then I left some tail so I could bend it around. Now I use pliers for this, and I would suggest putting on maybe some work gloves so you don't poke yourself with the end here. All right, if you're new here, this is Affordably Crafty, and my channel is all about learning how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty through tips, tricks, crafts, DIYs, hauls, and deal alerts. So you don't want to miss any of the deals, so make sure you hit that notification bell when you subscribe. Like this video and share. Okay, so we're going to start this project. One of the most important things is we're going to be doing single crochet all the way around the wire until this is covered up. It needs to be an even number. So if you decide to do a oval or a square or a diamond, it doesn't matter the shape. You just need to make sure that you have a even number of single crochets. So what I've done is I have just attached the yarn to my hook, and now I am going to start doing some single crochets, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So this is what it's going to start to look like. Your single crochet, when you do it, make sure that it lines up on the side, the outside of whatever shape you're doing. That's really important. And when you do it, you kind of want to push it back just a tiny bit, not too much, or this is going to get all wonky, so that you can cover your wire. And I am not counting these stitches. I'm just going to count at the end to make sure I have an even number. Remember, it's really important you have an even number. So this is the kind of hanger I'm talking about. See how it goes up here? And then on top, there's a double loop. This is what's going to open up. This is half your heart. So what I did is I took some pliers that can cut wire, and about here and here I cut. So let me just do that and then I'll show you. So this is how much I cut. And basically you're going to open it and twist it together. So that's how you make the heart shape. Again, you can make this any shape that you want. It doesn't have to be a heart. I just thought that would be cool. So let's get back to how we're going to do this. Okay, see you in a minute. So I have gone all the way around this heart with the single crochet. And I'm back at the beginning. So now I'm going to slip stitch to join it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my first one, which is right here. I'm not going to count this little knot thing that I made. So I'm going to go to this one. And I am going, oh, and I made sure that I counted. And there is an even number of these. I can't remember how many there was, but just you got to make sure there's an even number of single crochets. So what we're going to do first is we're going to chain 4. So we're going to chain 4. So it's kind of awkward, I'm going to be honest with you, working around the wire. Just kind of have to get rid of that. I'm used to that. Not rid of it. Can't get rid of it. That's the whole point of the project. 2, 3, 4. And then we are going to slip stitch into the second chain. So 1, 2. Again, it's a little awkward with the wire there. Okay, slip stitch. And then what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then I am going to skip 1 single crochet and slip stitch into the next one. So we're going to repeat that all the way around to here. I'll do it one more time. So we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Skip 1, slip stitch into the next one. Okay, and we're going to keep going like that all the way around. I'll see you back at the beginning. So I have gone all the way around with the pattern we were doing before, which was chain 3, skip 1, single crochet, and then slip stitch in the next single crochet. So that, if you look on the other side, you can see it here too. So you're going to see that there's a single crochet that was skipped. So let me see if I can show you. So see right here, that single crochet there was skipped. So we're going to be working on the back side of this for right now. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to slip stitch into the single crochet in the back that we skipped. We're going to chain 5 for the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to chain 5. And then we are going to single crochet in the next skipped chain. So that is this one here. So I'm going in, I'm going to single crochet. It's kind of awkward to work around this wire. Sorry, guys. Okay, and now we're going to do a chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go into the next single crochet that we skipped, and that is this one. Then we're going to single crochet out of that. And we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go into the next single crochet that we skipped the first time. So that's this one here. All right, so that's going to be the pattern for this round. We're going to do 4, chain 4, and then go a single crochet and the single crochet that we skipped last time. So I'm going to do that all the way around, and then I'll meet you guys. So I'm back at the beginning, and I am going to end this. So I am going to slip stitch back here. You want to leave a pretty long tail on this because I'm going to hang it up. Cut this. And now I'm going to fasten off. I'm going to make a loop with this down here on the bottom. Actually, I'm going to go across like that. And then tie a knot. I just did 3 knots. Now I'm going to cut off the excess here with my yarn cutter. And this is what the finished product looks like. Oh, it looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? Can't wait to try out some other shapes with this. But I think it came out pretty cool. I have my hanger. Alright, thanks for joining me today on this edition of Yarnie Yule Summer. If you like what you've seen and you want to learn more about stretching your craft dollar by being affordably crafty, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any deals, and share so your friends can also be affordably crafty. Have a creative day. Bye.